So we are now here at Buddha Temple in Pattaya. We need to be a bit quiet because I think there's a morning prayer that's happening on here, but as you can see, it is very aesthetic. We are quite far from the big Buddha, and all you have to do is just go up the stairs, but it is very, very aesthetic. I do think it is very much maintained because the gold and the red are very, very vibrant in terms of their color. I would strongly suggest that you go to this place. It's not quite far. It's way down south near Jom Tien. To be honest with you, we just took a grab going here because we went here quite early. I suggest do it very early at about 7:30. So it's not much people. See my husband? He's wearing very traditional about Thai clothing. So I don't know what the sash is called, to be honest with you, but it's very, very catchy and very, very matching with the gold and the red. So guys, I'll just take some photos when we're able to walk around, and then perhaps take a few more videos, but just to be very respectful since there's prayer that's happening, I'll just turn this one off and then see you guys next. So we are just walking towards the Buddha now. The steps aren't really that steep, so it's very easy for you to go up. So do apologize if ever it's going to be, a bit bumpy. I'm not using my G Osmo mobile gimbal right now since I would need a very long stand for photos. So definitely a very good view. Okay. So I'll just give you a quick 360. So there's here a donation box for Saturday. Sorry if I'm a bit out of breath. See how big this one is. Oh God. So I think this is what they say as the Buddha on top of the mountain, because on our way here we went to a winding road that goes up, and it does look like a mountain. So, let's give you a view of Pattaya City from where we are right now. There's a few more Buddhas down the winding road, but I think this centerpiece really is, the big icing on top of the cake. So we have a few more. Sorry if it's a bit bumpy. So I think you can get some here and then just purchase for you to grab your offerings. So that's it. I think my husband already found a couple of new friends. So just to sum it all up, I'm just ending this video right here. It is a very nice place to go, and make sure you go here very early. See you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good rest of your day.
Kapun kap.